What is the sub rated at?
3K RMS, 6K max, and 12K per.
How you doing? What's your name, man?
Pretty good, man. Vinny.
Vinny. Okay. So could you give me a rundown of your equipment real quick?
Pioneer MBH 1400 head unit, Taramps 8K with an extra battery, and a Avatar STU 1546 3K RMS.
Okay. Did you build the box?
That man did right there.
He did?
Yep.
Okay.
It's actually a box it was for his 18, and we converted it to for my 15. So.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know the specs of it, tuning or anything?
It peaks at 28 hertz.
28. Wow.
Yeah.
So the lows.
Yeah, it's low.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Can I see the back?
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it. What was your name?
Vinny.
Vinny. Jacob. All right. Nice to meet you, Vinny.
Nice to meet you too, man.
All right. Wow. What is the sub rated at?
3K RMS, 6K max, and 12K per.
12K burp? Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
If it was nighttime, you'd be able to see the LEDs in there, but you know.
Yes, sir. All right. Thanks, man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Whenever you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready, man.
All right.
Let's hear it. does like the lows, for sure. You could definitely tell, at least in the 20s.
Yeah.
Yeah, really well.
Yep. 30s are good too. 30, 32. Once you get up to like 35, it starts.
Okay. Slipping off.
Out some,
Yep.
Yeah.
Awesome. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.